Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Conflux and the CFX coin. Wanted to make a quick update on that because, well, we were talking about it yesterday already as well in the update. But a bearish breakout was looming and it seems like we just got it. Doesn't mean that all hope is gone for Conflux, but it does mean that our last hope is here. So that's what we'll talk about. Therefore, mainly we'll talk about the technicals, but I'll try to give you as much of a thorough and view of Conflux and everything you need to know. So let's do that. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Conflux, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. Alright, so for now, let's take a look at Conflux. So what we already talked about yesterday to kind of start off with a technical overview is that you can see that we started this bearish momentum. First broke down below the 28 EMA, that blue line, and then our last support was 36 cents and 36.5 cents, and we just got some bearish momentum throughout the entire markets. I mean, you can see Bitcoin dropped down a bit. It already has found support, but Conflux wasn't strong enough to hold that. It seems like, at least, because technically this candle closes in about 3 hours, so we still have some time. But I'm going to assume, I mean, what we would have to do right now, and we talked about that yesterday as well, there's quite a strong support level at 34 cents, 34, 33. So the only way in which we could actually turn bullish again is if we find support at that level and then break above 36 and 37 again. If we can do that, all of a sudden we have a massive bullish breakout and we can become very, very bullish. We can get up to 42, 44 and just in general become strong again. Then we technically would be in a consolidation, but I would say, well, in terms of momentum, we would certainly be bullish. So that's our last hope, 34 cents, because if right now, and that does seem like the most likely scenario, if you count everything up, if you take a look at the market structure of Conflux right now and the general momentum it has, what looks more likely is that we'll find support at 34 cents, but that we will not be able to break above 36, 37, and that we will just continue this bearish market structure and drop down to our next support around 30 cents. That looks like the most likely scenario. Now from 30 cents we'll see again, because frankly, even though on the short term it looks bearish for Conflux, there's so much support along the way that it's hard to imagine Conflux crashing. But I do think that right now the most likely scenario is that we'll fall. It's close though. I would say this is like a 60% chance, so therefore the most likely scenario. But I give Conflux quite a decent chance to actually bounce back up, break above 37 cents and get some of that short-term bullish momentum. It's like a 40% chance, I think. So it's definitely not over, but at this point in time, it looks more likely that we'll continue this bearish momentum, which is a shame, but it's not the end of the world. I mean, you should also know that Conflux went up like 1,500% over the last year to date. So there's nothing to cry about, except for if you bought here at 48 cents, but hopefully most of you did not do that. Altogether right now I would stay out of it. I would just wait until we get some sense of direction, and then perhaps position yourself in the optimal way. But that's my take on Conflux for today, this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.